Hey there, welcome to my AI Autobots Pro review. In this video, we're going to take a look inside the members area about how AI Autobots Pro works, and we'll do a quick demo and let you know the main features about whether it's worth plugging into AI Autobots Pro or not. My name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit. I earn a full-time income on the internet, which is really cool working from home. I focus it in on traffic generation and list building to promote affiliate offers. And I've been doing that for 10 years now. So I'm always on the lookout for these different software launches, and AI Autobots Pro is another one in the latest of these AI launches that are happening on a daily basis now. So we'll dive into a quick review and demo of the software. If you click the link in the video description below, click that link below, you can discover my number one recommended online system to plug into right now. It's a complete done for you system, and it's a really cool way to get traffic, build that email list, and earn a realistic income on the internet. So check out the link below for my top online system. So AI Autobots Pro is basically a chatbot that operates on your website, but it's done in a very unique way in that you feed this chatbot information, you train it on your product on your website. So you basically copy and paste the URL into the software, copy and paste any other data and information in text, and it will basically absorb all that information. And when someone interacts with your website, ask questions with a chatbot, it will be specifically trained to respond to let them know specific things about your product based on the information you fed it. So you don't actually have to come up with predefined answers for specific questions. You just give them, the chatbot, a whole load of information, and it will write its own answers based on the training you've given it. So this is the interface inside the members area. And the way you actually feed the information, you click your campaign and go to sources, and then you've got two options. You can simply copy and paste your website URL and then click crawl link, and you can add lots of different URLs to that, which has information on your business and your product and your services. Your frequently asked question sections and about sections, for example, you can copy and paste all those URLs in here. And also you can go to content, and any content you may have on your hard drive or text that is based elsewhere, you simply copy and paste a massive text, and this will all train the chatbot with the information on your website, so it knows how to respond to customer queries, and it will automatically be able to know how to answer it based on all this training you give it. So inside the members area, you start off with this chat interface section, which basically lets you set the basic settings for the chat interface. You don't really need to do much because it's all trained automatically based on the information you've given it. But there's a couple of basic options you can select here. There's also this chat design section where you can customize basic things such as your logo, the coloring, the text, and any default messages. So you can change what it looks like. You've got the settings section, which you can actually enter the OpenAI key for the API settings for OpenAI ChatGPT. So if there is an issue with the Autobots Pro software and their server, you will use OpenAI ChatGPT as a backup for that. There's a lead magnet which lets you add an email opt-in form within the chat messages. So you can come up with a way that this chatbot will ask for the email address of your customer, and you can determine at what point in the conversation they will be asked for their email address, so it can be used for lead magnet email list building purposes as well, which is really cool. And finally, the embed section, they give you an embed code. You copy and paste that and then go over to your website and copy and paste it within the relevant sections of your HTML code, or you can go to your WordPress section, go to customize settings, and the bits where it lets you copy and paste your custom code, you can copy and paste that into your WordPress website. So I've done on the AI Autobots Pro JV page for this product launch. They've actually got an example of the chatbot on there. So I have been experimenting, actually asking questions based on the sort of things that are on that particular page that I was on. So ask if there's any OTOs, any one-time offers, and they mentioned one of the upgrades that was available. And as I scroll down, I also asked, can this software, who can use this software, what type of businesses, what are the use cases, and then it used the information on that website to list the main use cases and type of service providers who will get benefit from that software. Finally, I asked what affiliate platform this offers on. It correctly identified that it's on the JVZoo platform. So it knows how to respond to all of this information based on the training it's been given by crawling the website URL. You've also got these cool little links which are predefined questions and answers, so you can have the most common question and answers with predefined answers on these little click icons here. So it definitely works. It just depends on how well you train it, and what information you feed it on depends on the detail and accuracy of the information that AI Autobots Pro will give out. AI Autobots Pro is mainly for more experienced marketers. So if you run your own digital marketing agency, you can install this on your client's website. So if someone's got a real estate website or some local service provider, you can have a chatbot on their website to answer the most common questions. This could also be quite useful if you do your own internet marketing projects. You can have a chatbot on your e-commerce store website to interact with your customers, or even if you're an online coach or you're selling affiliate programs for coaching programs, you can have a chatbot asking questions on the product, especially if it's a high ticket product where people might want to ask questions. You can have a chatbot there. So there's lots of different ways of using it. The typical beginner may struggle to know the benefit of a chatbot, especially if they haven't even got to the stage of having their own website set up yet. But for more experienced marketers, AI Autobots Pro looks really cool. For me, what I do is I focus on list building. That's what I've been doing for over 10 years now, is just getting traffic on the internet, getting clicks to squeeze pages, building the email list, and then getting daily clicks from that email list to proven high converting sales pages day in, day out. And it's a really cool way to earn a full-time income online with affiliate marketing. So I very much stay focused on that traffic and list building approach, which for me is the best way to get started for beginners. If you want to discover my #1 recommended online system for that, click the link below, click the link in the video description for my #1 online system, a complete done for you system, and it's a really cool way to get started. So click the link below for my top online system. Thanks again for checking out my AI Autobots Pro review. All the best, and I shall speak soon.